Welcome back to Noir Velocity. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated compact SUVs of the year, the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross. If you're looking for a vehicle that combines bold styling, everyday practicality, advanced technology, and Toyota's legendary reliability, then stay with us because this SUV could be exactly what you've been waiting for. The 2026 Corolla Cross takes everything drivers loved about the previous model and pushes it even further with a sharper design, smarter features, improved comfort, and a driving experience that feels more refined than ever before. At first glance, the new Corolla Cross immediately grabs your attention. Toyota has given it a much more premium appearance with a redesigned front fascia, a larger honeycomb grille, slimmer LED headlights, and a more sculpted hood that gives the SUV a confident road presence. The bold body lines flow smoothly toward the rear, while stylish alloy wheels, updated LED taillights, and a sporty roof spoiler complete the modern look. Whether it's parked in your driveway or cruising through city streets, this SUV looks far more expensive than its class suggests. Step inside and you'll notice Toyota's biggest improvements. The cabin feels cleaner, more spacious, and significantly more upscale. High-quality soft-touch materials, elegant stitching, and improved seating create a comfortable environment for both the driver and passengers. The front seats offer excellent support for long drives, while the rear seats provide generous legroom and headroom for adults and children alike. Families will also appreciate the wide-opening rear doors, making it much easier to install child seats or help passengers get in and out comfortably. One of the biggest highlights is the technology. The large floating touchscreen infotainment system is faster, more responsive, and easier to use than before. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, allowing seamless smartphone integration without messy cables. A fully digital instrument cluster keeps important driving information directly in front of the driver, while the available wireless charging pad, multiple USB-C ports, premium JBL sound system, and voice assistant make every journey more enjoyable. Toyota has clearly focused on making everyday driving smarter and more connected. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross continues to offer an excellent balance of performance and efficiency. Depending on the market, buyers can expect a refined gasoline engine, an efficient hybrid powertrain, and available all-wheel drive for added confidence in different weather conditions. The suspension has also been tuned for a smoother ride, absorbing bumps with ease while maintaining stable handling around corners. Steering feels more precise, road noise has been reduced, and overall refinement has noticeably improved, making both city commutes and highway trips much more relaxing. Practicality has always been one of the Corolla Cross's strongest qualities, and this new model builds on that reputation. The cargo area is generous enough for grocery runs, family vacations, sports equipment, or weekend adventures. Folding the rear seats creates even more storage space, giving you the flexibility to transport larger items whenever needed. Whether you're a growing family, a daily commuter, or someone who simply enjoys road trips, this SUV adapts effortlessly to your lifestyle. Toyota has also packed the 2026 Corolla Cross with the latest safety technology. The newest Toyota Safety Sense suite includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, lane tracing assist, adaptive cruise control, road sign assist, automatic high beams, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, parking sensors, and a high-definition 360-degree camera on higher trims. These intelligent systems work together to reduce driver stress and provide greater confidence on every journey, whether you're driving through busy city traffic or cruising on the highway. Comfort is another area where the Corolla Cross shines. Dual-zone automatic climate control keeps everyone comfortable regardless of the weather, while improved cabin insulation creates a quieter driving environment. Optional heated and ventilated front seats, ambient interior lighting, and a panoramic moonroof bring an extra level of luxury rarely found in this segment. Even after hours behind the wheel, the cabin remains relaxing and inviting. When it comes to pricing, Toyota is expected to keep the Corolla Cross highly competitive. Industry expectations place the starting price around $27,000, while fully loaded hybrid and all-wheel drive models could reach approximately $37,000, depending on trim level and market. Considering its premium styling, impressive technology, excellent fuel efficiency, advanced safety features, and Toyota's reputation for long-term reliability, the Corolla Cross delivers outstanding value for money. So is the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross the best compact SUV for families? It certainly makes a very strong case. It combines attractive styling, dependable performance, outstanding fuel economy, a comfortable and spacious interior, cutting-edge technology, and class-leading safety into one well-rounded package. Whether you're buying your first family SUV, upgrading from a sedan, or simply searching for a practical daily driver that won't disappoint, the Corolla Cross deserves a spot at the very top of your shortlist. Thank you for watching Noir Velocity. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated on the newest cars, SUVs, hybrids, and future automotive innovations, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next upload. Let us know in the comments below. Would you choose the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross, or is there another compact SUV that you think does it even better? Until next time, drive safe, and we'll see you in the next video.